Hello, future programmers, and welcome to the exciting world of coding. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of programming, a skill that has the power to transform the mundane into the extraordinary. In this course, we'll explore the fundamentals of programming using Python, a language known for its simplicity and versatility. But why learn programming, you might ask? Well, let me tell you a story that highlights its power. Imagine a retail store where employees spend days manually comparing product prices. Now, picture a simple program written by someone just like you that can do this in seconds. This is not a fantasy, but the reality of what programming can achieve. Programming is like having a Swiss Army knife for digital tasks. It's not just for techies, it's a tool for everyone. Whether you're an artist, a scientist, or an entrepreneur, coding opens up a world of possibilities. Now, you might think, do I need to be a math genius? Absolutely not. Programming is less about complex math and more about logical thinking and problem solving, much like solving a puzzle. This course will demystify programming. You'll learn by doing, creating programs that automate everyday tasks, manipulate data, and even interact with the web. We'll start with Python basics, understanding how to write and run simple scripts. Next, we'll dive into automating tasks. Imagine your computer handling tedious tasks for you. Throughout this journey, remember, programming is a creative process. There are no limits to what you can create, only the boundaries of your imagination. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your computer and turn your ideas into reality? Let's get started, and remember, the world of coding is not just for the few. It's for everyone, including you. My name is Jason Watson, and I'll be guiding you through this journey. Welcome to the world of programming. Let's make something amazing together.